Hi everyone, this is Rosa Kelly. I am here today with some Christmas inspiration. I am so ready for Christmas already. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be back. I've been gone out of my craft room for about a week and I missed it so much. I miss you guys. I was visiting my family back in Peru and I really had a relaxing time. I did nothing but drink wine, eat good food, see my family, and of course a little bit of crafting. So I was working while I was over there on these adorable Christmas cards using the new La La Land release collection from November, and it's absolutely adorable. I so love it. So I wasn't able to do the video before because of course I wasn't on my studio, but I did do a vlog on my website showing you the project. So if you want to check that out, I'm gonna have the link down below, and all the supplies that I use for each one of these cards will be there as well. So before I show you the cards, let me show you all the amazing new products. You probably already seen it if you check my vlog, but I'm so happy with all the collection. They're all, and some I haven't used yet, so I'm definitely going to continue working on some more Christmas cards. First, let me show you the new design papers that they have, and they're absolutely gorgeous. So this one is the Christmas Hodgepodge. I love the name, and it is more like a vintage theme. It is so pretty. Let me give you a quick look of the papers. Now I did already use some for my projects, but I just want to show you. Oh, these are absolutely beautiful. I got a little piece here so you can see the quality of this paper is so good. It's so sturdy. Here's the back, like very vintage. I love that on one side you have more like a pattern that can be like a background, and on the other side you have like a pretty design. So I really love, oh my goodness, so many things that you can do. Look at this music page over there. They're all mixed up because, like I said, I already used the collection, and I took all of this with me on my trip, and I was just having fun, enjoying myself and crafting. That's the Hodgepodge. This is the Blue Christmas. Now this one I only used a couple, but I think I really want to do a mini album. I'm really feeling the whole Christmas, Blue Christmas this year. Is so pretty. I'm so excited for Christmas. I know we're still in November, but me and the girls already started decorating for Christmas today, and we're so excited. Like, we are going to set up 2 different Christmas themes. We're gonna do a traditional red and green Christmas on the front living room, and then they want to do a winter wonderland white Christmas on the family room, and kind of more like, you know, like more pet friendly, I guess, if you might say, because the kitties do hang out on the back. So no Christmas tree, just different decorations on the back. And then we're even thinking on doing a little bit of a pink Christmas here on my studio. So I'll let you know how that goes. I first have to clean my studio. I feel like since I left on a rush and I grabbed all kinds of things, I still have to put a lot of things away here. Okay, this other one is called Little Merry Christmas, and oh my goodness, look how pretty. Okay, this one is definitely my favorite, and I use this one the most, I think. But just look at the happy colors. I love these pinks, and it's a combination of different colors, but I absolutely love it. Look how cute this is. It's like what is that called? Teal, pink, blacks. Gorgeous, and a little bit of reds. And look at the back. Look at this design. Oh my goodness, absolutely love it. Very happy with that. So I didn't want to use any of these because I don't know if I want to do more cards or of course another mini album. Maybe I'm thinking on doing like simple, smaller type of mini albums, and I don't know if I announced it already, but I will be having a 12 days of Christmas, so I'm excited to incorporate a lot of these designs onto my new series coming up. So I hope that you guys stay tuned for that. I'll be doing the Save the video soon to show you guys. I have an amazing lineup of friends joining me as well. Okay, so I'm gonna put this aside and then let me show you all the other amazing products. So these are the stencils, and I haven't used this one yet because I did not bring inks or anything like that, but I just love the designs. You have two different ones. This geometric one reminds me of like Christmas trees in a way, and then the second one, it's like, oh, here you can see it here better. This one over here is like snow. How pretty would that be if you do like a white wash on top of anything, on top of any of your designs, and make it look like snow. And then this one, amazing background stamp. This one is the Christmas postcard, and look how cute. You get all these little pieces, so it looks very vintage. So again, I haven't played with this one yet, so I'm super excited about those. And then there is the snow amazing. Look how cute these are. This one I haven't used yet, but I did use the other one. This one here, the Fa La La. This one is called A Caroling We Go, and it's so absolutely beautiful. I'll show you that one, how I used it. And this one over here I didn't use yet. This is a Happy Trails. And so for the November release, there is the Christmas, and then there's also a section of like camping, which is so pretty. So I think this is more for the camping, like you can do happy birthday camping. I miss you so much, so cute. And then this is the Santa, Dear Santa, and I did use this one already, so love that one. And then I'll show you the dies just really quick because they're so amazing. Actually, I'll show you the dies as I show you the cards, so I don't make this video super long. And then I didn't use the camping dies yet, but I will be doing a project really soon, and I'll show you those coming up. So I got all these adorable campers, lanterns, like this little marshmallows on a stick. It's so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna put this aside and then show you the cards. So these were for the release, which was on Monday. So I did 3 projects that I showcased on the La La Land website on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so you can also see them there. So I think this is the first one that I did. So for this one, I use the Merry Little Christmas paper collection. Again, if you go on my blog, you will find all the supplies that I use for each one of these cards. So I use the adorable little Marcy. Oh, I don't have the Marcy stamps, but again, I'll have the names on the blog. And this is the presents die, a stitch presents. So cute. It's this die here. Okay, so let me pull them out and then I'll show you as I go. So that is this die here, and then this is the vintage window. Oh my goodness, it is so pretty and it cuts perfectly. So I cut it on white and then I backed it on this blue paper, so it kind of looks like it's snowing outside. Isn't that cute? So that's that die, and then all I did is just fussy cut around it on the background. And then the staircase, which is to die for, which is I love this one here. And this came with, I think it comes with, oh my goodness, don't quote me, because I think it comes with this one. I think that's how it comes. Yeah, I'm pretty sure, but again, I'll have it all listed below. And this tiny little bow too, so you can do the staircase and add a little bow. So I have a lot of dimension pieces. I use a lot of 3D foam tape. And then same thing with Marcy. So I call her Marcy, but I also did some paper piecing here for her hat and her scarf. And so yeah, and then the stamp is also from, which one? Okay, I'll have a list below. So then this opens up, and I made this into a pop-up card, and it is so cute. So I have these little mousies here singing some Christmas carols. Aren't they adorable? I did a 3D card and 2 layers. So this one over here measures 1 inch, and the other one measures 1/2 inch. So you have like different, what do you call that? A different 3D effect. And then this other one is on also on a 1/4 inch, I think. So this one, they're all on different planes, I guess you might say, but I think it's really cute. And then you can also add your message in there. So that is my first card. Okay, so let me show you the second card. This one I think is my favorite out of the three. I love how it turned out. I did the trifold on 3 different layers, and here I have the another adorable Marcy. She is the Waiting for Santa Marcy. I think that's her name. And then I used for this one this door, and the door is the most amazing die I think I've ever had. I really like it. And then I also use the wreath, and then that comes with the wreath, I'm sorry, and then it comes with this little bow. So I did add both, but then I kind of mix and match with this die here to add the yellow, and these were colored with my Copic, and the door I actually cut on red cardstock. And then over here I have this little doily, this little, I don't know what you call this, like the long like the border die here. So pretty, just to add a little bit of dimension. And then I use this little doily. It's a half doily, so you can make a full circle, but I just use the half in here to add, you know, just a little bit of color. And then, oh my goodness, just so many different dies. So then I used this of the one, which is the chimney die, I think that's what it's called. And I just love the pattern on the brick. So all I did is just cut it on red cardstock, and then I cut the 2 other pieces on white to layer like that. And then I used one of these adorable little Santas from here. I think I used this one. How cute is he? He's like going down the chimney and she's waiting for Santa. And so yeah, so this will sit on your coffee table like that. I just really like it. And then inside you can add a message, you can add some pictures. I made this into like little pockets, so you can add a gift card in there. Super cute. And then here is my last card, and this one was so fun to make. I really love playing with the elements here. We did this little what do we call this now, fireplace. And that comes with this piece, so you get these 2 pieces to create a fireplace. And I think the socks also come with that die. And so I just cut it. You get 2, but I mean, I think they're both the same, pretty sure. And so I just got 3 and just colored them using my Copic markers. Now the fireplace, this little fire is a different die, and look how cute that is. And I'm so happy how the fire came out with the coloring. I just love it. I did a mix of light brown, yellow, and orange, and I just like mix them all up, and I think it turned out really cute. And this is the Cozy Mona stamp, and I will have a link below as well. And then I also used the Stitch Christmas trees, and this stamp is from the same set. And then I use this fun little frame dies here to just create some elements. And I just drew like a little tree, and I backed this on this music paper just to make it look pretty. And so this one I just left the inside plain for now, but I really like it. Oh, and of course this is the horse sleigh die. Again, another super fun die to work with. I just got this on white and I just color it. And again, I use this half doily. So I had a lot of fun just, you know, relaxing and making cards, coloring, playing around, drinking wine. It was a wonderful weekend. So I hope that you guys enjoy the cards. I hope you are inspired to create your own. Don't forget to visit my blog. I will have all the links to the products that I use, and I actually will link them down below as well. And so yeah, so that's what I have for you today, and I want to thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.